Hey everybody, you're taking a look at a 2007 Harley Davidson Electra Glide Ultra Classic, 44,000 miles on it. It's in outstanding condition. Bought this from my neighbor who just moved to New York City and wasn't taking this with him. So I bought it. As much as I'd love to keep it, 4 little ones. So that's not really in the cards right now. But this is a beauty. It is in outstanding condition. It drives great. Doesn't have any oil leaks. Doesn't smoke. The tires are fairly new. I think there's only 100 miles on them or so. See, that tread is nice and deep. Paint, nice metallic paint, is very shiny. The seat is in excellent condition. Show you this back tire here. He had it serviced at the local Harley dealer. It's got cruise. I like this too. That's a neat feature to hold your cell phone. Nice little cell phone mount. These nice grips. They're comfortable. They got a nice soft cushion to them, and they have a nice look to them as well. Speakers sound fantastic. Got these lockable compartments that are lined. Your lockable saddlebags also have, whoa, hold on, soft liners in them. It's a 96 cubic inch, 6-speed transmission. There's a Life Flight copter going over. Need to say some prayers. They were timely and addressed the issue at hand. Very nice bike. It is absolutely beautiful. Very smooth on the road. Has these nice little watertight storage compartments in the fairing. And another neat feature, whoa, let me slide this around here. Sorry, my gimbal's got a mind of its own today. Is it has this adjustable vent, so you can have a little bit more air directed inward towards you. Right there. It's got a little dial right here that you just turn. Pretty cool. Like I said, it's only got 44,000 miles on it. Well cared for miles. Let's turn it on real quick. As it goes through its checks and balances, you'll see that there aren't any lights on the dash. I just filled her up too. She's got a full tank. Audio controls right from here, which is really cool. Let's fire it up. So you can hear it run. That's the fun part, right? Fires right up. Idles nicely. You won't see any smoke. Beautiful day, right? How about that? That's the sound everybody loves when they ride a Harley. They patented that sound from their cylinder shape on the inside. Shaped a certain way to make that nice rumble. Your oil pressure looks good. Battery's charged up. Full tank. It's a great bike. Your headlights work fine, your turn signals work properly. It's really a gorgeous motorcycle. I truly would hang on to this one if it weren't for all those kiddos of mine. My last Harley, I had this exact, was that head bolt cover, I think they call it, or no, not head bolt cover, what is that? Some kind of a bridge right over the spark plug. Dresses it up a little bit. Get a little chrome piece over the shift linkage. With these extensions here. That for your passenger. Paint looks great. Like I said, the only places I could find, there's a little nick right here. That's about it. The rest of it looks beautiful. You can't go wrong. Take a look at my feedback here on eBay. If that's where you're seeing this bike, you'll see I've got excellent feedback. Sold a lot of motorcycles and cars and trucks and Jeeps and all kinds of neat stuff. I've sold some exotic cars. I've sold some normal cars. I had a Hummer on here about 8 years ago that had like 44-inch tires on it or something. It was massive. Sold a ton of Jeeps. Used to sell a lot of Mercedes convertibles, the old 560s. I became rather fond of those. But there you have it. You know, if you'd like to inquire about this motorcycle, just give me a buzz. My number is 863-670-5420. The day I am filming this is September the 4th of 2021. No, September 5th. So yeah, the days, you don't really count the days much when you have a lot of children, you know. You just kind of go day by day. Oh, and it's got this nice shorty smoked out windshield, which is really cool. Still does the job, but doesn't become obtrusive. But anyway, what I was saying is, if you want to inquire about it, feel free to call me. My number is 863-670-5420. But this motorcycle is not going to last long. So if you're in 2022 watching this and you call me about it, we can hang out and chat on the phone about whatever you'd like to chat about. But we're not going to be talking about this motorcycle because it won't be there. Matter of fact, if you call me in the next few weeks, it more than likely won't be in my possession. I have a free and clear title on it in my possession. Physical copy. It's not digital at the county or anything like that. So a cash purchase, you will get a title right then and there. If you bring a bank check, it's gonna clear before you get title or possession of the motorcycle. Wire transfers are good as well. And even if you bring a cashier's check, that's gonna clear too. There's a lot of fraudulent cashier's check out there, and I know how to spot them. So just warning you in advance, so that if we have that conversation, you know, you've been pre-told my terms. Anyway, really excited to offer this one. It's been a while since I've offered something on eBay of this magnitude. So give me a shout or bid to win. Good luck.